Hi everyone, this is Spanish lavender. Especially it's like a cultivar like endemic or berry is beautiful. Those plants are characterized by plums, corn and shaped flower, headed tops with vibrant purple bracts that resemble rabbit ears or butterfly wings. You can see it. They thrive in full sun and require well-draining soil to prevent root rot, as they are susceptible to damage in waterlogged conditions. While highly aromatic, Spanish lavender is typically grown for its ornamental value in rock garden borders and containers rather than for culinary use. You can try for that. Have a nice day. Bye.